What's happening, YouTube? Thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ruben, and as always, please note I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I providing any financial advice. I'm just the guy showing you how to use an app. Basically the account has reached the 300 euro amount, or amount that we set out. I know the goal is to set it up to 500 euros, but this is an important video because we have doubled the account, which is pretty awesome. If I come over onto wallets over here, you can see it's at 301 euros. I deposited an amount of 150 euros or just below that because of all the charges and stuff after that happens. We can see that by clicking on this little window on the right hand side here that has like a clock on it. If I click that, here we can see the deposits that have been done through crypto. Any withdrawals? No. Distributions? Yes. As I mentioned in the previous video, I did mention that there is a thing called a launch pool and a launch pad. Basically, I was involved in the Alien Worlds, which is that TLM token, and then the Alice one as well. No subscriptions and redemptions, nothing of the sort. If I come over to cash, here we can see the euro amount is at 150 euros. I first deposited 100 euros. First deposited the 50 euros and then deposited the 100 euros. Basically, each deposit gets charged with a fee of 1.8%. So, hence the reason why it's not perfect numbers, but that's fine. So here we can see that I haven't added more money into the account. We can see that the 150 euros has indeed doubled. If I look at withdrawals and if I look at cash transfers, there we see no records are found. So in the last video, the one posted at about the 17th of April, I think, or the 18th of April. Basically, in that video, I was mentioning that I was going to be trading in Dogecoin. The account did actually double before the 20th of April, but I did not make a recording. The account actually then dropped down to 50 euros. I now have the account set up to 300 euros. Basically been trading Chainlinks, Solana, Cardona, Dogecoin as well. That was done this week just before Elon Musk went on to Saturday Night Live. And then last night I actually did the Shiba Inu coin, which is the second one listed underneath that Tether there. Basically, that coin there I got in at about I think it was 27 or 26 satoshis, 26,000 sats, and now it's sitting at about 35,000. Basically, it's the third coin over. If I click on it, let me rather get into the USDT for Shiba. So yeah, I purchased it at about 26 and now it's at 35. Basically made money while I was sleeping and managed to double the account. So that's basically what got us over onto the 300 euros account. And yeah, guys, I would be trading in margins or in the futures account if I had time, but because I don't put 100% of my efforts here, I do have a job that I work. So this at least gives me more control on how often I have to review or look at the charts or tables. And in terms of following fundamentals and stuff, it's very easy. Just put notifications on for each of these companies that I've listed here, and once a tweet comes out, you basically get the information. Tweet is quick and easy to read. So that's basically how I've been trying to trade, also looking at trading view charts, but for the most part it's been solely fundamentals on Twitter. And I'm currently got 5 million of the Shiba Inu tokens, and I am risk-free trading. As you can see, my USD or my tether there is at 156 euros. That's basically what I deposited into the account. I now have Shiba at 145 euros, and basically going to be using that 145 euros to actually try and push to 500 euros. Don't want to risk too much in the market at the moment. So guys, I'll catch you in the next video. All the links to my Instagram, my Twitter, this Binance account if you would like to register a deposit will all be down below in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.